right, let's go see how the car sounds now with the new downpipe and exhaust manifold. Exhaust tone is definitely a lot more like throaty. I'm not really sure what word to use, but it's more throaty, a little bit more deeper. Doesn't sound as muffled like before. I got the new wastegate spring installed and also made the new wastegate dump tube. I gave the dump tube a little bit of a curve on the bottom, kind of like if it was a muffler trying to face back, and see if that gives it a good sound. Okay, yeah, that sounds a lot different. Sounds really good though. Those guys wanted me to hit it, so I hit it. All right, sounds a lot different. The wastegate dump definitely changed the sound. Sounds, I don't really know if I like it more now than I did before. I might experiment a little bit with the dump tube. It doesn't sound bad. It's just different. I think for my personal taste, I think it's still a little bit too quiet. I think I might experiment a little bit with the 4-inch straight pipe tip, and I might make a 5-inch for this one as well, and just see if I get a difference in the sound with the 4-inch tip and the 5-inch tip. Rev it. Like I said, man, I see somebody recording, I'm very likely to do something. I did want to say thank you all who have taken the time and watched the last 3 videos. One about, you know, me fabricating the new downpipe, the new mid pipe section for this car, basically the whole setup that I'm trying out now, because you know that took a lot of work, a ton of work. And I mean, unfortunately it didn't perform the way I expected it, but I mean, it is what it is, right? So thank you all who have taken the time to watch it. And yeah, I don't know, I might evaluate my decisions on future videos, because you know it's hard taking hours to prepare a video and then, you know, really not that many people watch it. So I don't know, 2023, I'm gonna definitely think a lot about what kind of content I'm gonna post. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue to post this whole educational how-to videos, or just stick to, you know, strictly entertaining videos. But yeah, I don't know, I got a lot to think about. Woo! Sounds good. No, it definitely sounds good. Ouch. That was my tire hitting. I'm 110% going to remove that muffler. Whoa. kept building boost non-stop. It got up to like 17 pounds. It definitely should not be doing that, considering that the spring's only for like 15 pounds, 14 and a half, 15 pounds. The boost solenoid is not connected, so yeah, not sure what's going on there. Definitely gotta check that out. Yeah, definitely way too much. It got up to like 26 pounds. Oh, the solenoid is disconnected. Should not be doing that. That's strange. Very, very strange. I guess it's time to head home and check out what the heck is going on. And of course, you can't work on a car doing things on budget and expect things to go the way it should. It just won't happen. On budget, things will happen. You got to fix things up. You got to modify things. You got to go through the trials and errors. So I guess let's go down to the garage and I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far and how it's going. And there she is, all nice and clean. I actually had the opportunity to wash it a few days ago, so it looks very nice. But yeah, I've had to change a few things. That spring that I put on there, with the whole boost creep issue, I mean, it was pretty bad. The car is tuned at 30 pounds of boost, so I'm not too concerned about it running that high boost pressure, but I want to be able to run lower pressure if I really wanted to. So yeah, there's the wastegate down there. You guys can see it. So as far as the things that I've changed, so yeah, you guys remember that big old spring that I ordered, 14 and a half pounds of boost? Here it is. I had to take it right out. I put the 8-pound spring back in it, and it is running top of third gear is around 17 and a half pounds of boost. A lot better than running 26 pounds of boost. And I also cut this thing off. This is that pipe that I was using for the wastegate. I don't know if you guys remember the beginning of the video. I told you guys that I made like a little pipe going back, kind of like a muffler. Well, I'll be honest with y'all, I didn't like the way it sounded. It sounded like shit. So now I made a straight pipe. Basically, it's straight down to the ground. The way this one is, this one sounds amazing. And now this one sounds amazing too. And not only does it sound amazing because I changed this, but there's a muffler. That's a 4-inch straight pipe that I used to run. So guess what I'm running now? Bam, sucker, boom. All right, you guys gonna have to wait for the next video. Y'all gonna get to enjoy the beautiful, beautiful sounds that this car makes now. So sorry to do you guys like this, but trust me, it won't be about a few days before I post a video of me driving this car. So catch y'all later.